Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to identify untracked changes in PowerPoint slides. Here's how to solve it. For this demonstration, let's say the PPT deck on the left is what you sent. On the right is the file which was sent back to you. However, there are no indications of changes made to the file. First, open the latest file. Then on the toolbar, click the Review tab. Under all the options for review, to the left side, you will find a Compare button. Click the Compare button. Select the file which you want to compare with. Click the Merge button. And that's it. You can now see what changes were made by the reviewer. If you click the highlighted checkbox, you'll see what updates were made to this object on this slide.